At the University of Winnipeg, we have, in my opinion, the strongest criminal justice department in Canada. So if you study here with us, you're going to have an advantage over your peers who study at other universities because of the quality of our professors and the research that they do. I am Marcela Cassiano. I am a professor in the Department of Criminal Justice at the University of Winnipeg. The accent that you hear is Portuguese from Brazil. I'm a Brazilian national. I've been in Canada for about 13 years now, and I do research in health and justice. We have a very strong curriculum. The course portfolio that we have covers prisons and police, but also it covers like the new areas, for example, health and justice. Also, we have a collection of professors that are very good at getting research money. So they have money to hire you as a research assistant. They have the networks to support you to get a job. And they also do a lot of novel, new research. And the third reason is the environment. We are a very diverse community, and so we get all kinds of people from all walks of life, and that diversity is beneficial for you to kind of understand society. Students should expect a very robust education in criminal justice, one that would prepare them for several types of careers inside of the criminal justice system, and also in government, and also in nonprofit. We have a 3-year program, and we also have a 4-year program. We have an honors program, which is very good tracking record of sending students to law schools. And also we have a master's degree. So essentially you can do everything here at the University of Winnipeg. The first one is knowledge of the criminal justice system in Canada. So how the police works, how the court system works, our prison system, and understanding all the issues and problems related to our criminal justice. Second, I would say, is critical thinking. What you gain after doing our program is that you are able to see, okay, this is fair for this group, but unfair for this other group. So you are able to kind of, analyze the problem in a multidimensional way. We have a lot of courses on research methodology, so they teach you how to analyze research that was done by other people, but also how to create knowledge. So you also gain that ability, the ability to do research by yourself, on your own. Our students experience 3 types of challenges. The first one is kind of a lack of a clear goal, especially regarding the kind of job that they want to pursue. And one way to deal with that challenge is to seek help, mentorship from your professors, from your peers, and also talk to your parents. The second challenge that I see students coming with is like difficulty in time management and pressure management. What I usually tell my students is like try to learn how to study. Whatever works for me might not work for you. So learn yourself and about yourself and what are the ways that you learn. The third challenge that I see is mental health. First of all, be aware of yourself, of your needs, and try to, care for yourself. Have a clear schedule where you have your clear time to study, and then you have time to exercise and to unwind. And if there is a need, you should always look for help. Here at the University of Winnipeg, we have a wellness center that you can use. When you see that you're not doing very well, get ahead of the problem, talk to your professors. We do have a course that is a practicum. That gives you an opportunity to work with some organization that has a connection with the department. Another thing that you can do is like talk to your professors about opportunities. Professors, they usually hire TAs, teaching assistants. They hire research assistants. They know people who need people. So they are usually well-connected folks, your profs, that they can help you find a job and get like hands-on experience. There are many careers that they can pursue. So, for example, they can work with what we call public safety agencies, the prison system, the police, fire, 911 operator. They also can work in the government as a policy analyst. There's a lot of jobs in the nonprofit sector with like NGOs. The other thing that they can do is an after degree. Usually our degree in criminal justice is the main door for careers in law, in social work, and also for folks to pursue a master's degree, be that in criminal justice or in another field. It's a really hard job market. So what you have to do to get ahead in that job market is to carve your own opportunity. Don't take no for an answer. So just keep going, keep insisting. If there is somewhere where you want to work, go in there, go after your opportunity, and remember that, part of it is not up to you, but part of it is up to you. So you got to do that part.